In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up time sectors in Trello. If you're looking to track your time more effectively and ensure your team stays on task, integrating time management into Trello can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and set everything up. First, you'll need to navigate to your Trello board. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll find the Power-Ups button. Power-ups are a fantastic feature in Trello that allow you to enhance your board's functionality by integrating other apps and tools. Click on Power-ups to start. Next, we're going to add a new power-up. To do this, locate and click the Add Power-Ups button. This will take you to a comprehensive directory of all the power-ups available within Trello. From here you can find the tools that best suit your needs for collaboration, time management, and more. You'll need to search for a time tracking power-up. Simply type time tracking into the search bar at the top. Various options will appear, but for this tutorial we're focusing on the time tracking power-up by EverHour. This is particularly popular due to its robust features and user-friendly interface, making it a great choice for efficiently managing your time. After locating the EverHour time tracking power-up, click on Add. You might notice here that Trello provides some additional information on what each power-up offers and how it can be beneficial, so feel free to explore these insights as they can enhance your experience. Once the power-up is added, you are a step closer to turning Trello into a comprehensive time management tool. Now, simply close the power-up menu. To start utilizing your new time tracking feature, click on any card within your Trello board that represents a task you're working on. This card is where you'll manage the time you spend on that task. Within the card you'll notice the option to Start Timer. Clicking this will initiate the timer, allowing you to track how much time is being spent on each specific task. In addition to starting a timer, there's also an option to add time. This is particularly useful if you want to manually log hours worked, perhaps after completing a task or meeting. Simply click Add Time, enter the number of hours worked, and if needed, put a comment to provide context or notes related to the work done. This feature keeps your records precise and easily understandable. Once everything is filled accurately, don't forget to save your entries. This will ensure all your logged time and additional details are stored correctly, making your Trello board a more dynamic and informative resource for managing projects and tasks. And there you have it, you've successfully set up time sectors in Trello using the EverHour time tracking power-up. This integration will help keep you and your team on track, providing greater insight into how time is being allocated across various projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy organizing!